Welcome to our guide on protecting your email domain from fraud using SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. In this video, we'll explore how these protocols can safeguard your communications and build trust with your recipients. Email fraud is a growing threat. Cybercriminals use techniques like phishing and spoofing to exploit vulnerabilities, leading to financial losses, damaged reputations, and a loss of trust. That's why implementing email authentication is no longer optional. It's essential for secure communication. SPF, DKIM, and DMARC are the three pillars of email authentication. SPF authorizes servers to send emails on your behalf. DKIM ensures the integrity of your emails with cryptographic signatures. And DMARC enforces alignment between SPF and DKIM, while providing detailed reporting to monitor your domain's email activity. SPF acts as your domain's gatekeeper, allowing you to specify which mail servers are authorized to send emails. By preventing unauthorized servers, SPF helps reduce email spoofing. However, misconfigured SPF records can impact deliverability, so it's important to set it up correctly. DKIM takes email authentication a step further by adding a cryptographic signature to your emails. This signature ensures that your emails remain unaltered during transmission and verifies their authenticity. By publishing a DKIM public key in your DNS, you enable recipient servers to verify your emails. DMARC ties SPF and DKIM together, enforcing policies that determine how unauthorized emails should be handled. Whether you choose to monitor, quarantine, or reject suspicious emails, DMARC provides you with the tools to protect your domain and offers valuable reports to track email activity. For DMARC to succeed, SPF and DKIM must align with the from domain. Alignment ensures that your emails are authenticated properly, reducing the risk of spoofing and improving deliverability. Without alignment, your domain is vulnerable to fraud. The risks of neglecting email authentication are severe. Phishing attacks, spoofing, and poor deliverability can harm your brand's reputation and erode customer trust. Implementing SPF, DKIM, and DMARC protects your business from these threats. Email threats are evolving, with AI-powered phishing and lookalike domains becoming more common. Innovations like BIMI, which displays your brand logo next to authenticated emails, can enhance trust. Stay ahead by adapting to new protocols and regulations as they emerge. Protecting your email domain requires a continuous effort. By implementing SPF, DKIM, and DMARC, you secure your communications, improve deliverability, and build trust with your recipients. Take action today to safeguard your domain and your reputation. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to reach out. Let's work together to create secure, trusted email communications. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content.